Hello students, today we learn about lesson number 1, Qasim and Ali. So first I read the lesson for you. One morning, Qasim and Ali had nothing to do. Qasim said to Ali, "Let's ask questions. If I ask you a question and you cannot answer, you will give me one marble. But if you ask me a question and I cannot answer, I will give you 10 marbles." Ali agreed. Qasim had read a book of riddles the day before. His mind was full of interesting riddles that he had learnt from it. And he knew that Ali did not know any riddles, so he was sure of an easy victory. Qasim asked, "What is common between a dog and a tree?" Ali did not know the answer, so Qasim took a marble from him. Ali asked him if he knew the answer. Qasim came out with the answer, the bark. Qasim asked a second question. What is the thing which, if you knock out its eye, has only the nose left? Again, Ali did not know. Taking another marble from Ali, Qasim gave the answer, noise. If you knock out the eye, only nose is left. Qasim asked a third question. What word in English is 1 mile long? Ali came up with a number of long words, but of course none of them was a mile long. He had to part with another marble. Qasim gave the answer. Smiles. Between the first letter and the last there is a mile. All this time, Ali was thinking hard to find a riddle that he could ask. In the end, he asked, "What is common between an elephant and a fountain pen?" Qasim was taken aback. He did not expect Ali to know any riddles. He had no idea what was common between an elephant and a fountain pen. So he gave Ali 10 marbles. What is the correct answer? He asked. I don't know myself, said Ali. Then giving Qasim a marble, he added, "This is our agreement." Now, in this story, the story about Qasim and Ali, they are two friends. One morning they had nothing to do. So they decided to ask some questions to each other. Qasim said, if he asks a question and Ali cannot answer, then Ali gave him one marble. And if Ali asked a question and Qasim didn't answer, then he gave him a 10 marbles. So Ali agreed with this agreement. Now, Qasim had read a book of riddles the day before, so he was sure for his victory. So Qasim asked the three questions. The first question he asked, what is common between a dog and a tree? The first question is, what is common between a dog and a tree? Ali did not know the answer. So he gave up. Qasim gave the answer, the bark. That tree has also a bark and dog also barks. Okay, the second question is, in which thing you knock out the eye, nose is left? Then Ali again not know the answer. So Qasim gave him the answer, that noise. If we struck out the eye, only nose is left. So clever Qasim is. Now the Qasim asked third question, which word in English is 1 mile long? Then again Ali did not know the answer and he gave up. So Qasim gave him the answer, that smiles. Means the first letter of the word and the last letter of the word, there is a mile. So Qasim is very clever and he take 3 marbles from Ali. Now at that time the turn is Ali's turn. Now Ali thinking a lot to tell the to ask some difficult riddle, but he cannot know. So he asked a question that what is common between an elephant and a fountain pen? Qasim didn't know the answer, so he taken aback and he gave Ali 10 marbles. Then he asked Ali, give me the answer. But Ali also not know the answer. But that is their agreement that if Qasim asked Ali a question and he did not answer, he gave him a 1 marble, and Ali asked a question and Qasim did not answer, then he gave him a 10 marbles. So that one is the first part of our story, Qasim and Ali. In next video, we learn about the second part of that story. Okay, thank you.